Hello students. So today we are going to start with the case study problems. Okay. Uh, First question. A boy wants to pursue science, commerce or humanities after class 10th with chances of selection as 45%, 30%, 25% respectively. He wants to score more than 90% marks in his class 12th board. The chances of scoring more than 90% provided he has pursued is 10 plus 2 in science, commerce or humanities are 0.4, 0.6, 0.8 respectively. Find the probability that the boy secured more than 90% in class 12. And second question is, if the boy secured more than 90% marks in his boards, find the probability that he studied commerce. Now this question is from based on the Bayes theorem, right? Because the data which is given, you can figure it out that this is from Bayes theorem. So let's first write the events. So first events are a boy wants to pursue science, commerce or humanities after class 10th. The chances, that is probabilities, are this. Okay. So E1 is for science, E2 is for commerce, and E3 is for this one, humanities. Okay. So P of E1 is 45%. So we have to write it in terms of fraction 45 upon 100. (25%). Okay. Now he wants to score more than 90% marks in his class 12th board. Okay. Now this event becomes his A event, right? So he wants to score more than 90% in 12th, provided he has pursued his 10 plus 2 in science, commerce or humanities are zero point 0.4, zero point 0.6 and zero point 0.8. So this becomes your P of E1. So this is 0.4. Okay. Now first question is, find the probability that the boy secured more than 90% in class 12. Now this question is only based on this event, that is he is scoring more than 90% in class 12, but we have to consider that is he wants to pursue after 10th. Okay, that also we have to consider, and he has scored 90%, that is provided he has pursued his 10 plus 2 in science, commerce and humanities. So this probability will be, he has taken science, that is after 10th he went for science, and in science he scored 90%, more than 90%. So this is P of A over E1 plus in humanities. Okay, 45 by 100, 0.4, 30 by 100, 0.6, 25 by 100, 0.8. Okay, so we can take common 1 upon 100. So we'll get here 18, 18, 20. Okay. 36 plus 20. So the probability of scoring more than 90% is 0.56. That is 56%. Okay. Next question. If the boy secured more than 90% marks in his boards, find the probability that he studied commerce. So now here we have to apply base theorem. That is, the boy has secured more than 90%. Condition is given. And he is from commerce. So E2 over A. We have to find. Okay. So this is P of E2 into P of A over E2 on 2 plus E3. Okay. So P over E2 is 30%, 30 by 100 into 0.6. Okay. And this we got 56 by 100. Right. So 100 we can cancel. 30. So this was 18. 18 by 56. Okay. So 9 by 20. Okay. Next question. The relation between the height of the plant Y in centimeters with respect to exposure to sunlight is governed by the following equation. Y is equal to 4x minus half x squared. Okay. Where x is the number of days exposed to sunlight. The first question is, find the number of days it will take for the plant to grow to the maximum height. Okay, find the maximum height of the plant. Then find the height of the plant after 2 days. And last question is, if the height of the plant is 7 by 2 centimeter, then find the number of days it has been exposed to the sunlight. Okay. Now from the question, we get that height of the plant is given by y, height. Okay. And x is the number of days exposed to sunlight. Okay. So we have to find the maximum height. Now looking at the question, you can say that this is from application of derivatives where we have to find the maximum, minimum. Okay, so how we find maximum? First you have to derivate this, right? Y dash is 4 minus half into 2x. So this is 4 minus x. So when we put y dash equal to 0, we'll get the value of x, that is the critical point, x equal to 4, right? Now to find the maxima or the minima, you have to find double derivative. Double derivative is 4. 4 minus x, derivating it again, we will get minus 1. Okay, now this value is less than 0. So we can say that this is the maxima. Okay, so we have to put so we have to put this x equal to 4. Okay, in our original, that is in the original equation, y equal to 4x minus half x square. Whole square is 16. 16 minus 8, 8. So after getting the maxima, that is at x equal to 4, x equal to 4 becomes the point of maximum. Okay, So we have to find the height, that is maximum height, by substituting that x equal to 4 in the original equation. So we get y equal to 8. Now y equal to 8 is the maximum height. Okay, so we have got the find the number of days it will take for the plant to grow to the maximum height. So the answer of this question is 4, x equal to 4. It is x is the number of days, right? To grow to the maximum height. That is, this is the point of maxima. Then the maximum height we got y equal to 8. Okay. Now find the height of the plant after 2 days. Now they have given maximum height is 8 and it is after in 4 days. So what will be the height in 2 days? Okay. So we have to put this 2 in the original equation. So we'll get 1. Okay. Y equal to 6. So this is the height after 2 days. Okay. Now next is if the height of the plant is 7 by 2, that is y is given 7 by 2. Then find the number of days it has been exposed to the sunlight. So writing the equation, okay, we have to find x. So multiplying by 2, we get 7 by 2, 4 into 2. So 7 equal to 8x minus x square. So we'll get here a quadratic equation that you have to solve. Okay. So this is 7 minus 7 minus 1. So x equal to 7 and x equal to 1. Okay. So we cannot take x equal to 7. Why? Because the maximum days to grow to maximum height was 4. Right? X equal to 4 we got. So x equal to 7 we cannot take. So this is not the case. So you have to go for x equal to 1. Okay. So if the height of the plant is 7 by 2, then the number of days it has been exposed to sunlight is x equal to 1. Okay.